Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Disabling System Integrity Protection (SIP) on an Apple Silicon Mac requires you to boot into recovery mode and use the terminal to turn off SIP. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide to do that. So let's get started. Firstly, to boot macOS into recovery mode, press and hold the power button on your Mac until loading startup option appears. Once you see the icon appear, you can select options to load into recovery mode. After that, restart your computer and hold down the Command plus R keys simultaneously when you hear the boot chime. After that, once in recovery mode, open a terminal windows from the Utilities drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Type down what is shown in the screen into the terminal window. After that, press the Enter or Return key and you will see a message stating the system integrity protection has been disabled and that the machine needs to restart for changes to take effect. Now restart your Mac and SIP should be disabled. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.